What is up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is everlenia.chenelle for those who are new here, and for those returning, I just want to say welcome back. So today in this video, I did this video for beginners who struggle with trying to achieve a flawless wing liner. Cause I ain't gonna lie, wing liner is like hard, like, I know for me, especially if you don't have a steady hand too, it's hard. So I got you, girl. I got you. Okay? Period. So before we get into the video though, y'all already know what's up. If y'all not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe channel, and don't forget to turn your notifications on. Alright? Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so today all y'all need is some tape and whatever liner you want to use of your choice. So of course I already did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow because I'm just showing you how to do a liner. So I'm gonna tear off a little piece of tape, and you're just gonna place that on the corner of your eye like that. And make sure you don't put it on your eyebrow, but put it like right at the tip of your eyebrow. Okay? Alright. Like that. And I'm gonna show y'all on both eyes just in case y'all missed it the first time. So, got my black liner here. And you can just follow that line of the tape. And you can go up however far you want to, however high rather, and bring it down however far you want to bring it down. Once I have my line set, I just begin to fill in. Everything else. Y'all see? See? Right. Now for the next eye. Grab your tape. And you don't need a super long piece of tape at all. Y'all see? It's about that long. Take it. Place it like that. And you don't have to bring it all the way down into your tear duct if you don't want it that far. You can make it like a cat eye or however you choose. Sometimes a black liner is not dark enough, so you can always go in with some black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna use my black eyeshadow from my Morphe palettes, from one of my Morphe palettes. And you can always go in with some black eyeshadow. And darken it up, because I like it to be really dark. All right, and once you have that like as dark as you want it, go ahead and pull your tape off. Y'all pull it off like a band-aid. Ow. Y'all see that? Nice and sharp. Nice and sharp. Nice and sharp, as it should be. Do the same thing. The other eye. Uh-oh. Well, that one was partially sharp. I guess I didn't have it as close as I thought I did. So, in case that happens, you could always take some concealer. You can always take some concealer, I'm sorry. And you gotta be real careful when you do it. And conceal. Just like that, y'all. So you'll want to make sure that your the bottom of your tape is as close to the outside of your eye as possible. But yeah, that's it. And you got a nice sharp wing liner. Period. Okay, y'all, so this is the full put together look for me. I did add a little pink for just like a little razzle dazzle. No, but yeah, so this is the final look. I hope it was helpful, because I know that trick, it really helped me with my liner. I can do it a little better now that you know, I can do it a little better without using the tape, but still, that tape, that really helped, and I still use it because, first of all, I like for my stuff to be sharp, period. As y'all can see, it's sharp. It's sharp. So, definitely, if you're a beginner starting out, I would definitely use that trick. So, yeah. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, turn your notifications on so you also know when I'm posting. Okay? Alright, well, thank y'all so much for watching. Everything I did use in this video today will be in the description below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, y'all, because I be posting mini tutorials on there too, so do not miss out. Okay? Alright, well, thank y'all again for watching. Thank you for your support, and as always, be safe and keep your head up. Alright? Bye.